Hi, are you there? Oh, okay, an answering machine. Hi, my name is Julia. I received your number as a reference. I know I need help, and I don't feel like I have anyone I can talk to. I think I might need help, seriously. I'm a freshman, I'm 17 years old, and I've been struggling with my weight for the past few months. I think I might have an eating disorder. I just need to come to the realization that I'm obsessed with being thin. To make a long story short, I went from healthy weight of 145 to now I think I weigh about 103 pounds. I don't want to gain any weight. Even right now, I feel a little chubby. I go to the gym every day. I can't think of a moment when I was happy with my body. I knew college was going to be stressful. I felt as though I was prepared, but I guess I wasn't. My focus on my weight was heightened when I was urged to lose weight by my coach and my teammates. You know that freshman 15? Yeah, freshman 15 is real, and I just couldn't lose the weight, and it began to impact my running. I had to drop out of a few races because I felt out of shape and I just couldn't keep up. And I'm on a full scholar athlete scholarship, so it stresses me out that I have to keep up my health as well as my grades. I know it was serious when I didn't even go home for the holidays because I was stressed about what, my mom and my family was going to make me eat. So I lied to my family and I didn't go home. I know that I need help because my family and my friends have talked to me about it a few times. But what really got my attention was that my roommate reached out to my mom because she was so concerned. I just want to feel normal. I don't want to be so obsessed with what I see on the scale or in the mirror. Not only for my mental health, but my physical, as I'm at my lowest weight ever. My hair is thinning, my eyes are sunken in, and I know that I have dark circles around my eyes. I'm really a mess right now. And I think that the stress is causing me to be depressed. And then, of course, that is a cycle because I don't want to eat. And then I feel bad about how I feel. And either way, I'm trying to make this short. I just need help. And I know that I can't go on like this. My body's going to give out on me. I don't want to die. So please help me. Again, my name is Julia. Thank you for listening, and so sorry for this long rant all over and rambled like my life.